So we're at Wardtec and with Mark. Now we're just going to talk about one of the processes of the things you make here. Obviously this is a piece of tube that's come from Lawton's.
Yeah.
Now to get it to this stage, which is what you use to manufacture this,
Yeah.
there is some byproduct, swarf, because that has to be cut off this length.
Yeah, exactly. So we start off by forming the end over, which is no material loss at all, because it's just manipulating material. The only swarf we have is we face the front, undercut the back so there's no burr, and then we obviously part off, which creates swarf. So we lose probably about 2 mm material in swarf.
Yeah. But then from this piece to this finished piece, this process, there's actually no wastage.
No, so it goes for another 3 operations. We have a 45-degree press operation, which is what you see there, followed by a panish operation, which puts it at 90 degrees. And then finally goes into the machine behind us, which actually thread forms the material on, which is actually by 3 rollers forming the material, manipulating it rather than cutting material.
Because most people, they would look at that and they would think there was some swarf created by that material being cut, but it's not, it's formed.
Not in this process, no. So it's actually manipulated. So actually the dies come in, the material pushes back out to form the thread that you can see there. If you used to measure the OD of that part against the standard part, that's actually a wider part than when it started because the material's been pushed out.
Okay. So on the stuff that you do create swarf with, wastage, I can see around the factory that all goes into bins. Yeah. And then obviously when they're full, do they get picked up? Do you have to take them yourself to?
So we have a monthly collection with an independent scrap guy. Yeah. Who comes in and gives us weighs all our scrap and then recycles it accordingly.
Yeah. And then that will end up back here again.
Eventually it'll be
something like that, and you go
copper tube process.
It's the circle of life, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
And is it something you're bothered about? Is it just part of your job, or do you think it's cool that what you do, this whole process then comes back to you and you can start again?
I think the process of having no waste is a massive benefit. A lot more advantages to it than having something that just goes straight to landfill, for sure.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.